how to fix WhatsApp status not working or not showing in iPhone. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp status not showing on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down to the bottom and then tap on apps. Now under apps, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching, tap on your WhatsApp, and then you'll need to go with the contacts option. And if you've got it disabled, then you'll need to switch it over, either to limited contacts or full access. You can choose from your list or all contacts to give WhatsApp access. After that, go back to your WhatsApp settings. And I also recommend you to enable here all the options that you can find to make the WhatsApp app work better. But if unfortunately your error is not fixed yet, then you can just simply go back, open up your app store. From the app store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for WhatsApp. And after searching, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.